Hello, everybody. Today we're going to go over the NAS100 strategies, insights, and market analysis. Insightful knowledge of the NAS100. We're going to go over the history. What is the NAS100 and when did it start? The major NAS100 events, the highs, the lows, and the milestones. NAS100 meeting. What does the NAS100 stand for? What is involved in the NAS100? What makes up the NAS100? NAS100 calculation. How does a company get added or removed from the NAS100? And then we're going to go over strategies, the Beach Trader Bounce and the Beach Trader Supertrend and support and resistance, insights and market analysis, 4 steps to predicting the markets. NAS100 in-depth history, founding and launch date. Established in 1985 by NASDAQ to track the top 100 non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. Purpose of the NAS100 was created to represent the largest and most innovative companies across technology, telecommunications, retail, biotechnology, and more. Significant early growth, rapid expansion during the 1990s tech boom, with tech companies dominating the index and leading to a strong association between the NAS100 and tech innovation. NAS100 key milestones in evolution. .com bubble was probably the biggest, 2000 2002. The NAS100 saw massive volatility and sharp declines as tech companies plummeted. This was a defining moment that underscores the NAS100 tech-centric composition. The financial crisis of 2008, though not as severely impacted as financial sector heavy indicates, the NAS100 experienced a downturn but recovered quickly due to the resilience of tech companies. The pandemic was super crucial, and beyond 2020, 2023, the NAS100 reached new highs during the COVID-19 pandemic, led by companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, as technology and remote work became essential worldwide. The NAS100 milestones, highs, and lows. The historic highs. November 2021, NAS100 reached an all-time high driven by growth in tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Significant lows. .com bubble 2000-2002, major decline as tech companies crashed, marking one of the most significant downturns in the NAS100 history. 2008 financial crisis. The index saw a steep drop, although it recovered faster than others due to its tech focus. Key milestones. 1985, NAS100 was founded, focusing on the top 100 non-financial companies on NASDAQ. 2008 to 2020, rise in tech stocks led to consistent growth, establishing NAS100 as a leading index for tech and innovation. 2024, the NAS100 reached an all-time high on October 25, 2024. What does the NAS100 stand for? Definition of NAS100. The NAS100, also known as the NASDAQ 100 Index, represents the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. Sector focus primarily consists of technology, communications, telecommunications, retail, and healthcare companies, reflecting NASDAQ's tech-heavy reputation. The purpose. Created to track the performance of the most influential companies in innovation and growth outside the financial sector. Importance and global influence of the NAS100. Tech leadership. The NAS100 is dominated by leading tech companies like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla, making a strong indicator of tech sector health. Global economic indicators, often used to gauge the overall performance of the technology-driven economy and investor sentiment on innovation. Influence on investors. Seen as a go-to index for investors seeking exposure to high-growth, large-cap companies without financial sector volatility. The NAS100 composition and focus make it a benchmark for tracking global technology trends and the broader economic shift towards innovation. What is involved with the NAS100? Overview of the NAS100 composition. The NAS100 is made up of the top 100 non-financial companies on the NASDAQ chosen by market capitalization. Sectors representing primarily technology with significant representation from consumer services, healthcare, industries, and telecommunications. Non-financial focus. Financial companies like banks and insurance firms are excluded, differentiating it from other major indices like the S&P 500. Market cap weighting. The index is market cap weighted, meaning the largest companies have a more substantial impact on the index's performance. Let's look at how this looks on the heat map on TradingView. And you can see that Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Facebook, Meta, Google, Amazon are really big, squares, and they dominate this whole. Tesla over there on the right is actually big. It's way bigger than it is right now. Top companies: Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, Alphabet, Google. These tech companies hold significant weight in the index and drive much of its movement. Emerging leaders are like PayPal, Netflix, Intel, other innovative companies that have helped shape tech, consumer services, and semiconductor industries. Consumer and health representative, including major consumer and healthcare companies like Pepsi-Cola, Costco, Amgen, showcasing the NAS100 reach beyond just technology. The NAS100 focuses on these market-leading companies, reflects a blend of innovation, consumer impact, and growth potential, making it a powerful indicator of the tech-driven economy. How does a company get added to the NAS100? Eligibility criteria. Listing must be listed exclusively on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. Non-financial requirements only. Non-financial companies qualify, excludes banks, insurance, and investment firms. Market capitalization must be one of the largest by market cap among NASDAQ-listed non-financial companies. Liquidity standards must meet strict liquidity and trading volume requirements to ensure active trading. Annual review process. The NASDAQ conducts an annual review in December to evaluate eligible companies, determining which qualify based on size and trading criteria. How does a company get removed from the NASDAQ 100? Falling below requirements. Market cap companies that fall below required market capitalization levels may be removed. Liquidity and volume. If trading activity doesn't meet the necessary liquidity standards, removal is possible. Acquisition and mergers. Companies are automatically removed if they're acquired or merged into another company. Removal process. During the annual review or when events like mergers occur, NASDAQ will adjust the index to reflect the most relevant top 100 companies. The NAS100 composition is actively managed to maintain a focus on leading innovative companies across the non-financial sectors. Strategies that trade NAS100. Technical approach. The Beast Trader bot is really good at this. The Beast Trader bounce strategy overview, a momentum-based strategy that identifies entry points during price pullbacks or bounces off support levels. Execution. Buy when the NAS100 index bounces from a support level in an uptrend. Sell when it bounces from a resistance level in a downtrend. Best use. Effective in trending markets where NAS100 shows consistent upward or downward momentum. Support and resistance levels. Overall, identifying key price levels where the NAS100 often reverses direction, indicating zones where buyers or sellers dominate. Execution. Buy at strong support levels and sell at resistance levels, using these as guide points for stop loss and take profit placements. Best use. Useful in both range-bound and trending markets, providing clear entry and exit signals based on market structure. Strategies to trade NAS100. Trend following approach. Overview of the Beach Trader Supertrend. Combines Bollinger Band and the exponential moving average, the EMA, to create a trend following indicator by identifying clear buy and sell signals. Helps traders gauge the general market direction with visual cues. Green for uptrend, red for downtrend to simplify decision making. Execution. Long trades enter when the super trend shows an upward green, indicating bullish momentum. Short trades enter when the super trend shows a downtrend red, signaling bearish momentum. Best use. Especially useful for capturing long-term trends in NAS100 by focusing on sustained price movements and minimizing noise during high volatility. Ideal for traders seeking trend-based positions with reduced whipsaws. Combining strategies, multi-strategy approach, using the Beast Trader bounce for short-term entries and during pullbacks within the super trend direction and support and resistance for additional confirmations. Risk management, place stop loss orders near the opposite level, below support for buys, to protect against sudden reversals. These strategies offer versatile approaches for trading NAS100 by blending trend following and momentum based methods for both short-term and long-term trades. Insight and market analysis, the 4 steps to predicting the NAS100. Step 1, analyzing market candles over time frames, monthly, weekly, daily candles. Review candle patterns over different time frames to understand broader trends and shorter term movements. The goal is to identify trends, reversals, and potential entry points based on historic price action over the past month, week, and recent days. Step 2, reviewing daily news events, the Forex Factory. Check key news events. Use Forex Factory to track high-impact events like economic reports and geopolitical news that could affect the NAS100. The goal, anticipate potential volatility and align trades with market-moving events. Insights and market analysis. Final steps to market prediction. Step 3, using TradingView heat maps, 24, 4, and 1 hour heat maps. Review NAS100 relative strength across these timeframes to determine if the current sentiment is bullish or bearish. Goal is to gauge short-term and long-term momentum time to be able to time the entries effectively. Interpreting indicator signals, buy, sell, neutral. Combined indicator signals, moving average crossing for buy and sells to match the current market sentiment. 52 plus indicator metrics. Look at multiple indicators for confirmation rather than relying on a single one, particularly when deciding between quick trades or long-term trades. And this is part of TradingView where they take 52 of the best indicators and they tell you if it's a strong buy all the way down to a strong sell. Step 4, evaluating technical indicators and choosing a strategy. Indicator metrics. Use TradingView's technical indicators, the RSI, moving average, for confirmation. Choose best strategy based on overall analysis. Apply the Beast Trader bounce for quick reversals. Supertrend for trend following, or support and resistance for range bound setups. Follow these steps provides a comprehensive view of the NAS100, helping traders decide on the best approach based on current market conditions and predictions. Beast Trader, Freedom Lifestyle. Hope you guys really love this video on the NAS100, and I hope you guys got a general, basic intro to NAS100. You guys check on the internet, put in NAS100 and look at for more details. Find out more about it because this is something that you're going to want to trade over time. It's one of our top 5 trades that we trade on Freedom Live Stream Academies, live on the air with the Beast Trader. Okay, you guys, God bless and have a